Imagine a factory built not for people, but for artificial intelligence.
6 months ago, this was an abandoned building. Today, it's becoming one of the world's biggest AI factories.
It's called Colossus 2, and its goal is nearly 1 million GPUs under one roof.
It consumes around 1 gigawatt of electricity, enough to power over 2 million homes.
This isn't just a data center,
It's the future of AI.
but powering it is an even bigger challenge.
Let's find out how they did it.
Building an AI factory isn't about buying GPUs first.
The first challenge is finding enough electricity.
Memphis could only provide about 50 megawatts.
But Colossus needed nearly 1,000 megawatts.
The project almost stopped.
Until XAI found an old power plant in Mississippi.
They rebuilt it and brought hundreds of megawatts online.
But stable power was only the beginning.
Electricity isn't enough.
It also has to stay perfectly stable.
Even a tiny voltage drop can crash AI training.
That's why Colossus uses 168 Tesla Megapacks.
They instantly release stored energy whenever demand spikes.
Without them, millions of dollars could be lost.
Power stability is now as important as computing.
Next comes an even hotter problem.
1 gigawatt of power creates 1 gigawatt of heat.
If cooling fails for just 2 minutes, GPUs can be permanently damaged.
That's why air cooling isn't enough.
Cold liquid flows directly across every GPU.
Giant chillers remove the heat outside.
The cooling system alone costs billions.
But where does all the water come from?
Most AI data centers consume enormous amounts of fresh water.
Colossus took a different approach.
They built one of the world's largest wastewater recycling systems.
It cleans nearly 13 million gallons every day.
So instead of using drinking water,
They recycle city wastewater.
now let's see how hundreds of thousands of GPUs work together.
500,000 GPUs are useless if they can't communicate.
That's where NVIDIA NVLink comes in.
It connects GPUs into one massive supercomputer.
Data moves at incredible speeds.
Even milliseconds of delay reduce AI performance.
Networking is the hidden secret behind modern AI.
And the computing power is unbelievable. Colossus started with 200,000 NVIDIA GPUs. Now it's expanding with the latest Blackwell chips.
It will deliver around 50 exaflops of computing power.
That's more than the world's top supercomputers combined.
The long-term goal is 1 million GPUs.
AI is entering a completely new era.
But what does this mean for the future?
AI factories are being built across America, Europe, and China.
They require massive amounts of electricity, land, and water.
The next global race won't just be about smarter AI.
It will be about who controls the most energy.
AI could discover new medicines, cleaner energy, and solve problems we've never solved before.
Or it could completely reshape the world's economy.
If you enjoyed this series, subscribe for more AI stories that explain the technology shaping our future.